How to check previous friends on Roblox. So if you want to check your previous friends on your Roblox, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Roblox application. After opening your Roblox, you need to go with the more section which is on the bottom right, and then you will have friends right here. You need to tap on friends. Now, for example, I want to accept a friend on Roblox who recently added me. I'll just go ahead and head over to the friend request and accept the friend request. So I'll find this on my friend section. Now in here, I'll go and unfriend someone, like I'll go with this person, and here I'll just simply go with the three dots and then tap on unfriend. Now once you unfriend this person or unfriend this individual, now to check the previous friends on Roblox, what we'll need to do is to search for the username of that old friend. In this area, like for example, if you still remember the username, like in this case, I remember the username right here, and enter the username of that person. And as you can see that I have the username right here, so I've searched it. Now I can go with add friend, which is on the bottom, and add that person as a friend. In this way, you'll be able to check your previous friends on Roblox only if you remember the username. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.